Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aura Ainun Kamila and I am a student from MTS NWDI Pancar. Today, I would like to share a wonderful story from Indonesia, a story about kindness and good. This is the story of Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, lived a beautiful girl named Bawang Putih. She was not only beautiful on the outside, but also very keen and elegant on the inside. However, her life became very sad after her father passed away. She lived with her stepmother and her stepsister, Bawang Merah. But Bawang Merah was the total opposite of Bawang Putih. While Putih was hardworking, Bawang Merah was incredibly lazy, selfish, and very cruel. Putih, come here. Look at this floor. It's dirty. Sweep it now. Yes, sister, I will do it. And Putih, after that, go to the river, wash my clothes, don't come back until they are clean. Go. One day, while washing clothes at the river, Bawang Putih didn't notice that her stepmother favorite scrap slipped away. Oh no! Where's the scrap? He took it. Mother will be very angry. She walked along the river and met an old woman in a small cave. The old woman had the scrap. My dear child, I will give this scrap back to you, but first you must help me with my house. Bawang Putih helped the old woman with a sincere heart. Before she went home, the old woman gave her a gift. Pick one pumpkin, my dear, the small one or the big one. I will take the small one, Grandma. Thank you. When Bawang Putih arrived home, her mother and Bawang Merah were furious. Where have you been? And what is this? A pumpkin. Break it now. We are hungry. When they broke the pumpkin, they were shocked it was full of gold and jewelry. Gold! Mother, look! We are rich. But why did she get the small one? Putih, tell me where are you got this? Bawang Merah went to the old woman's house. She was lazy and rude. When the old woman offered a pumpkin, she gladly took the biggest one. Give me the big one. I want more gold than Putih. Ha 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 ha. She ran home and called her mother. They locked the door, so Bawang Putih couldn't see the gold. Ready, mother? 1, 2, 3. But it was not gold inside the pumpkin. They were snakes, scorpions, and spiders. Ah! Help me! Bawang Merah and her mother ran away in fear. They realized that greed only brings disaster. Meanwhile, Bawang Putih lived happily ever after with her jewelry and her keen heart. The moral of story of kindness will always be rewarded, and greed will only lead to ruin. Thank you for listening and your own story be a beautiful one. Wallahul muwaffiq wal hadi ila sabili rasyad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.